Hi friends, today we are talking about overseas payment. So first of all, we understand what is overseas payment. A payment which is making to non-resident or a foreign company is called overseas payment. So first of all, we have to understand why while we are doing overseas payment, what we need all the things. So making overseas payment, we need Form 15 CSCV. In Form 15 CSCV, there are 4 parts: Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D. They all are different parts. So we have to understand what is mentioned in all the parts. In Part A, if the payment is less than 5 lakh, or I can say payment is not exceeding 5 lakh, and it is taxable as per income tax of India, we have to fill the form in Part A. And for Part B, if payment is less than 5 lakh or not exceeding 5 lakh, and we have taken the certificate under section 195(2), 195(3) or section 197 from the assessing officer of income tax, we can prepare the form 15 CA in Part B. Or if we are talking about Part C, in Part C, if payment is exceeding 5 lakh and it might be taxable or not taxable in India, it will be certified by the qualified chartered accountant, and in Form 15 CB, chartered accountant will fill the Form 15 CB. So in this Form 15 CB, he will ensure that tax will be liable or not liable in India. For Part D, if payment is not taxable in India, we can fill the Form 15 CA in Part D. So we have understand what is all mentioned in the Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D of 15 CA and CB. So now we understand what document we require for 15 to prepare the 15 CA and CB. So document is for remedy, we need bank details, we need address details, we need if they have PAN number, so we need PAN number, and most importantly, we need tax residency certificate. In short, it is called TRC, or Form 10F, where he will need to fill the information in Form 10F, and PE declaration, which is permanent establishment declaration. And for remitter, he needs all the details related to his income tax login, or I can say 10 details login. So this is all the information required for preparing 15 C and CB.